Hi folks, Doug here. Ellis Car Customs making a silk purse from a sow's ear, one pig at a time. Anyway, we've got the lift gate back off. I've had people wondering because we had to straighten the thing, was the glass still going to fit? Well, I guess since we're out of welding gas, now would be a good time to find out. I mean, this piece does fit in there like it's supposed to, so that's a good thing, because that piece goes on here. I don't know if I can orient it right, but yeah, okay, like that. That goes on there. Then we got these two pieces here, and they go here and here. We're missing the centerpiece, the one that lines up with the gate when you close it. We're going to have to either make something or find something. I'm not sure. They must make that, I hope. But we're going to try test fitting the glass to see how close we got. And I'll show you what I got here. I actually have two rear windows for Nomad. One there, one there. One has a slight crack in it, and the other one's okay. So I guess we got two chances to get it right. Hopefully we can do that. But yeah, these pieces here, you gotta take them off. Then this ain't bolted down yet, but the window slides in there and gets captured. Obviously we're going to need a new rubber for it. Hopefully I can get one. But for today's purposes, we should be able to at least make sure that the glass is going to fit in there and not bind or anything. But I'll slide her in there and I'll bring you back and we'll see what it looks like. So there, we've got the glass tossed in there. Like I said, this is the old rubber. It's, you know, it's brittle, it's falling apart. We need new rubber. But anyway, where we had to reshape the top there, the glass seems to follow it pretty good. Stand this up. So yeah, the glass seems to follow the lift gate not terribly. Like I said, once we get the rubber in there, it'll fit a little tighter, but I think we still have room to wiggle, but it should seal it up good. That's what we want. I didn't bother to put these pieces on the bottom because they don't matter as far as the glass fitment goes. Like I said, these just go on there like that, and they cover that up. And like I said, I don't have this centerpiece, so I'm gonna have to figure out if somebody makes it or if I gotta make one myself. I only have one of the bumpers there. This bumper's missing, but you know, anything we can't buy, we've been making. And if it's something I gotta make, I think we can handle it. Because basically all it is it has to line you up with the gate. Or yeah, the tailgate. When you close this first and then the tailgate closes, and it's kind of a locating pin sort of thing that, you know, that fits into here and locates it. But I'm pretty stoked. The fact that we had to do so much bending and flexing all along here to get it to lay in where it belongs, and our window fits. So yay, another victory. So I'll move along and see what other trouble I can get into. Yeah, another frequently asked question is, do I have all the parts I need or whatever? And I have in my stash of parts all the stainless. I mean, it's not perfect, but I believe it'll shine up decent for a driver quality Nomad. I got those for both sides. Got a grill, so we're doing all right there. Like I said, we're building kind of a driver quality car, and this stuff should shine up to look presentable, I think. So I figured I'd show you that. Also, we have a set of front fenders. They're not perfect. They both have that same bit that goes wrong with these all the time, that bottom piece, but they make a patch for that. But other than that, it's just cleaning them up. And considering they get something like $700 a fender, they're definitely worth cleaning up. And all I gotta do is patch the bottoms. So I got fenders. Outside I've got a hood. So yeah, we're doing all right with most parts. But I've been asked, a few times if I had all these parts or if I was going to have to find them. And I've been collecting parts for a while, so hopefully I've got enough to get me fairly down the road. But I'm going to get back to work. I just figured you'd get a kick out of seeing that I had this stuff. Also, if you were late to the Nomad Gate madness that we've been doing, this is what was left to the top of the original Nomad Gate. We didn't have anything to work with. It was gone. So that's why we had to cannibalize a second gate for the top, and neither gate had a bottom. But yeah, that's what we replaced when we added this, in case you're a newcomer and wondering how we got to where we got to. But I'll bring you back when I get something done. That can't hurt anybody anymore. Well, as they like to say on Cold War Motors, which is one of my favorite channels, if you're not watching it, you should be. This is the first sketchy dust in on this. I just put a thin layer of tiger hair over where we welded everywhere. Basically, I figure I can do the spots that don't need any more welding, like here and here and here. That stuff needs to be welded, so we got to stay away from that. But we can dust in this stuff that we've got welded and be that much further ahead of the game. So I'll bring you back and show you how it's shaping up. So we've got a coat of filler on there. Like I say, you don't have to be too crazy about trying to get it smooth, because this is just the rough coat. And what I'll do is I'll take my board sander and I'll board the thing off there to make sure it's all level and straight and good and all those things that we love. And once I'm satisfied there, you just put a little skim coat on there, and that's what you finish off, kind of like how we did the quarter panel here. You put your rough coat on, get it smartened up to where you like it, and then just a little skim coat. And here, I got this here. Bring this over. Still passes the magnet test. Like I say, you don't want to pile that stuff on there, it's doesn't have to be that thick as long as your metal is straight. And that goes back to, you know, your preparation, trying to get things as straight as you can before you put the filler on, so that way you don't wind up with an inch of filler on your gate trying to get it to be level and straight. But yeah, ooh, more hair products. Well, that's what I got done today. I know people wish I'd make slightly longer videos, but I like the little short updates there, because just think how much more, or how many more videos you can watch if you don't spend half an hour watching me. And little of me goes a long ways. So I appreciate everybody watching. If you haven't checked out the Facebook group, if you're new and you don't know about it, we have a Facebook group that's same title, Ellis Car Custom, spelled same way, where if you have a neat ride and you'd like to share it with us and, you know, do a little crowing of your own, we love to see your rides over there. Just post a picture, no restrictions, everybody's behaving themselves, so I don't need to be a nanny or anything. I didn't put any restrictions on posting there, because we're all big adults, we can take it. So till next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the shop. See ya.